Why does video motivate students? Firstly, motivation is generated by an element of novelty brought about by the use of the videos. Secondly, motivation is derived from the recognition of the teacher's preparatory effort. This encourages students to respond with the same commitment and effort. Thirdly, motivation is generated as explainer videos greatly simplifies and clarifies difficult concepts and thereby eliminate frustration, which is counterproductive to motivation. How can video be used to motivate students? Here are 7 ways to use video to motivate students. 1. Use video to clarify what needs to be done. Goal setting serves as a great motivator. 2. Use videos to entertain. If it is enjoyable to watch, it can be motivating. 3. Use videos to clarify concepts learned in class by means of graphic and practical applications. 4. Use video that includes some humor to capture students' interest and motivates them more. 5. Use video to introduce topics with interesting information to raise engagement and motivation. 6. Use videos to applaud students' achievements. Recognition motivates. 7. Use videos to boost positivity and happiness with inspirational stories. Where does this leave you? Definitely use video to motivate your students to reach their potential.